going to go over the procedure to break in a lever holster. This particular holster came from Kraft, and this is the break-in kit that they have. I previously broke this in when I received it about a week ago, but we're going to go over today what all you need to do. This comes with a nice polishing cloth for your lever. It comes with a dauber. It comes with instructions, and it has a little bottle of fluid to use. Since I've already broke it in, we're not going to spray the fluid on here. But what you do is you put it on your dabber, put it down in here in your trigger guard, and all that good. You get it like you want it. And you take the fire alarm, put it in this plastic bag, and gently push it down in the holster. Don't push it, don't force it. Just do like this. Let it sit overnight. And when you get finished, when you take it out the next morning, you will have a fit just like this. Thank you.